It's not the right way for the peanut. Olive oil is not here. What do you need here?
Well, dressing's here. It should be here. Oh, we need ketchup.
Oh, yeah, get some. Pancake, cereal, should be here.
We're looking for
Peanut butter,
we're looking for oil.
same thing. I'm looking for peanut butter and
Probably
oil.
haven't
Honey as well, we need honey. Very expensive.
this one is something.
But it's not organic. This is not even organic. Pag nag-shopping ka, kailangan local para mas okay siya. Kunin siya natin yung local na honey. Tapos meron tayo ditong organic ketchup. That one is huge. We don't need that much honey. Honey. I'm not using much honey. Look for the multigrain. We don't get the sourdough here. Because that's not just a sourdough. It's not real. It's like too much stuff in there. That one maybe. This is what I normally get. The gluten-free Sam's Choice. But ayaw niya. Ayaw ni Alex. How about this one? This one.
Yeah, you're not getting this.
It's made of brown rice, tapioca. So, meron din gluten-free na sourdough. I don't know which one is better. Si Alex lang naman kumakain nito. Napaka-arte niya. So, water, brown rice. This is the best.
Sourdough bagel.
Don't eat bagel. It's not good for you.
Could be used. Same shit.
What did you scan? It's not even related to it. Ganito kami mag-shopping. Very slow kasi tinitingnan pa namin yung mga ingredients. Kung okay ba siya or not. Just get the one in Aldi maybe better. Meron kaming ginagamit na app like yung Yuka app na iscan mo siya. Pero sabi nila ito daw is okay. Pero pag tinignan mo yung ingredients, ang daming bad ingredients. Pero pag in-scan mo siya, it's like 89? What did it say? 94. Pero ang dami niyang bad ingredients. So, hindi siya namin kukunin. No. I want that. Want me to put on your nose? Smell it, I'm telling you.
Juan says anti-Nickelodeon.
Nothing.
Anti-Nickelodeon.
I don't think so. Mag-marinate ako ng meat. Meron kasi kami dito manok. Ay, manok. Beef. So, i-marinate ko siya para mamayang gabihan. So, yung gagamitin ko is luya, sibuyas, bawang, tapos itong paminta, tsaka toyo, and then olive oil, or yung honey. Tapos lalagyan ko na siya ng honey. I'm gonna ask my friend how much soy sauce I'm gonna use. No, how much soy sauce I'm gonna use, I said.
Well,
Because I don't really know how many soy sauce should I
you
put.
don't. Nobody ever measures it. You just
No, you have to measure it.
throw it in there until it marinates.
What if it gets like salty or something? You have
Well,
to
put a little.
put a little and then it's no taste. They have measurement for that.
I don't
So,
think
he doesn't believe. Alex, hindi siya naniniwala. Okay. So, it's like 1.99 pound. 1.99 pound of beef.
Beef meat?
How much soy sauce do I put?
Beef meat?
Okay, asking a friend.
Beef chicken.
Can you tell me more about what you're cooking? I'm going to make marinated. Yeah, but English na to. Okay. No, I don't need that. You're giving me different kind of thing. Okay, so binigay na niya. So yun yung gagawin. 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, garlic, onion, sugar or honey, black pepper 1 tablespoon, and soy sauce. So, ganun lang pagka para hindi na tayo mahirapan. Search na lang siya. So, nakuha ko na yung measurement. I did not. So, guys, okay na siya. Ikat ko sana yung karne. Kaso, ayaw nitong kasama ko. Arte niya. Dati kinakat ko naman siya, okay lang. Pero ngayon ayaw niya nang hiwain. So, hindi ko na siya hiwain. And, why it is so hard to put it in? Yan. Ayaw ko siyang hawakan. So, ito na yung sibuyas, bawang, and ginger. Lagay ko na siya dyan. Super messy kung maggawa. Then, measure na ako ng soy sauce. Ito yung gagamitin kong soy sauce. Which is, sabi ni ng kaibigan ko is kalahati. Mas healthier. Ako na siya i-measure. Yung soy sauce lang naman yung gusto kong i-measure. Kasi baka mag-salty. And then yung black pepper. What else do I need to put here? Is that my phone? Yours? Tapos paminta. Maraming paminta. Yan. And then, after this pepper, ilagay ko na tong meat. I know, I have to mix it first. Para magano siya. Maghalo-halo yung lasa. Mix natin. Nandito pala yung cellphone ko. Kala ko sa. Then, ilagay siya natin dito. We should marinate this overnight. Overnight or 3 hours. 3 hours is fine.
And until it's in default status. And by law, the government